So this is where we're at. The prototype is finished. It is loaded up with, roughly speaking, a day's worth of stuff. The zipper is sewn in, although I don't have zipper pulls on them yet, and they rattle like crazy. The strap is affixed via these very inelegant, enormous carabiners. The stitching is not perfect, but from a prototype perspective of just sort of getting a handle on the thing, it's giving me exactly the sort of information that I need. Things I'm currently unsure about include, I'm not, you see it's all loaded in here. And yeah, I know I didn't finish any of the internal seams in here because it doesn't matter for these purposes, because it's a prototype. Yeah, but it's holding the stuff that I want. It seems to be an okay size. It is a bit boxy from the side. I am unsure about the thickness of the bag, the width, the depth this way. Right now, I think we're at 5 inches. And that's quite a lot, as it turns out. Also, I'm unsure about these pockets in terms of scale on this. They only go up part way, and that might look okay, but the way the top sort of has a tendency to puff out makes them look proportionately small. And so I think on the next round I either need to make them quite a bit taller and perhaps wider as well, or, and I'll have to see about their utility as I use this thing, I might just eliminate them. I'm not sure they're frankly worth the bother. So we'll have to see on that. In the meantime though, it's there. And also in the meantime, pan hard right, we got the choices for final zipper on the final project of this. I have this pretty sweet looking multicam inverted zipper. I got 2 yards of that, so that's pretty cool looking. I have the choice also of using the same thing that's on the bag right now, which is this guy. This is a non-inverted number 10 YKK, and then there's this guy, which is a number 8 YKK. It's a little bit smaller in gauge, but it's AquaGuard or waterproof or whatever they call it these days, in a matte finish instead of that super high gloss that they used to always be. So that's kind of a, I don't know. Right now I'm leaning towards this. It's a number 9, and that's pretty cool. I also got sample sets of X-Pax fabrics, as well as a full sample set of Cordura fabrics. Traditionally I would use Cordura. It's sort of standard for a lot of this stuff, but I've been leaning towards X-Pax as it's a bit newer school and a bit lighter weight and a bit more higher performance. And I'm leaning right now actually at this VX42 in black, which is sort of the heaviest one that this company offers. So the bag will likely end up black, and then there'll be like this lovely camo reveal as this particular zipper shows through. And then if I build it without the bags on it, then the whole bag ends up sterile, which is kind of nice. But we'll have to see. Anyway, there she is. Prototype exists. Needs a couple final massages, and then we'll go from there.